Start by going to your taskbar and hitting the search icon. Type in Whiteboard. Click on the app and click on Create New Whiteboard. Go to the bottom to insert your Word document if you're using a Word document. On the right-hand side, it will ask you which pages you want to insert. You can insert more than one page, but right now we're just going to do this one page. Read the directions at the top of this page. Go to your pen at the bottom, click which pen you want you or your student to use, and just follow the directions as the example does on this Stier Fitzgerald Community Sight Words sheet, which was to circle the words that begin with a capital letter. You can choose to add feedback by going to the bottom of the menu and clicking the tab which brings up the stickers, just to change it up a bit and give your students some feedback that's a little more fun or not necessarily standard. You can size it, move it, turn it, go down to your toolbar again where the A button is, and that's the text button. You can type a message such as this one in there so the student could see on this whiteboard, or students if you're working with more than one. And that is how to do a simple whiteboard task in Microsoft Whiteboard application.